everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of Let's See What We Can Teach Miss B. On today's episode, we have a super cool third grader named Lila who's going to teach us a really cool drawing. So let's get started. She teaches you, now you teach her. Let's see what we can teach Miss B. In this episode, Lila S. teaches us how to make doll drawings. So, Miss Lila, what is the name of this kind of art that you make?
The name of the art that I made is called doll drawings.
Doll drawings, okay. And how did you come up with this idea?
I was just drawing, and then, I was just gonna draw, like a doll, and then I came up with doll drawings.
Okay, so this is kind of coming from your imagination, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. Now, if someone wanted to do this drawing at home, what art materials do they need?
They would need a piece of paper. They would need a pencil. And they would need some colors.
Okay. So what's the first thing you do when making your doll drawing?
I draw a circle.
Okay. All right, then what's next?
I draw the neck.
Okay. What's next?
I draw like the shirt and the arms.
Okay. What's the shirt look like?
The shirt is just like a long rectangle.
Gotcha. And kind of connects to the arms, right?
Yeah.
All right. And then what's next?
The pants.
Oh, okay. And what do the pants look like? Can you kind of tell me what shapes those are?
So it's like you start from the tips of the bottom of the shirt and go down and then make like a triangle in the center.
Gotcha.
But don't go all the way up.
Well, the triangle doesn't go all the way up?
No, it just goes halfway, but it makes a point.
Now what?
And then I go up to the top of the head again, and I draw eyes.
Okay.
Two eyes.
Two eyes. And what shapes are the eyes?
So they're like circles.
Okay. All right, what's next?
Inside the eyes, I draw like a oval on one side and then two ovals on this side on the top, and then I do that for both eyes. And then the next step is the nose.
Okay, tell me how to do the nose.
So the nose, I do like on this side, I do like a round curve, but I don't finish it. And then I pick my pencil up and go onto this side and make a smaller curve. And half of the other small curve is on underneath the other curve.
Gotcha. Okay, I think I got it. What's next?
The mouth.
Okay, tell me about the mouth.
The mouth is, I go to this side and draw like a raindrop upside down. Kind of like diagonal, a raindrop upside down.
Okay.
And then I go to the hair. And I make on this side one bump and go down and then come to like where the where like the end of the arms are, kind of, and then make like a diagonal point, like it goes around in a circle and then diagonal. And then I do the other side and make a smaller bump.
Gotcha. Smaller bump. Same thing, go down towards the arm? Okay.
And try to make the hair as even as you can. And then I go to the head part and draw like bangs.
Ooh, okay.
And the bangs are just the bangs are just like all across. They don't have any triangles or nothing.
Got it. All right. Now what?
And then I take my pencil and go to the next like half of the head and draw like a band. Like a band for your hair.
Oh, a headband?
Like a headband. Yeah, like not the headband that goes on top of your head, like a headband that goes around your head.
Oh, okay. I think we got that. All right.
And then I take my pencil and I write like for the one I did here, I wrote I love sports, but you could also make the headband a little different.
Yeah.
Your own way, and instead of writing sports, you could do like art or drama or anything.
Cool.
But on the right corner, you write like what you love. Like, so I write sport girl, and then I did a squiggle at the bottom and an exclamation point.
Okay. So you can name your doll whatever you want, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Lila, that was awesome. You're such a good teacher. Well, let's see if you could teach Miss B. Hey! Here's my art girl. I kind of took your advice and I did I love art there on the bottom. And then for the saying in the corner, I thought I'd go art rocks. And of course, just like you did, gotta sign your name. All right. So, Lila, do you have any advice for our young artists watching your video?
If you guys try this drawing yourself, you should always focus on what you're doing, not what you want. Because if you do what you want, you're going to skip to that part, and then it's not going to work out as easily. So do what you need first, and then what you want last. Kind of as a detail.
Wow, that's really good advice, Lila. Thank you so much. Now, I encourage all of you to try one of Lila's drawings because they are a lot of fun. Now, if you would like to teach Miss B something, make sure to email her and tell her a little bit more about what you would like to do. So, until next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye! She teaches you, now you teach her. Let's see what we can teach Miss B.